Mom, Jaden eats all his food. Where? He ate the whole plate.
And then he eats more. Between Danny and Jaden, they eat more than you.
Stop that.
You're making noise. That's a lot of noise for a little baby. Oh, what's he doing?
He's on the roller coaster.
You're on a roller coaster?
He's really putting on a show.
Say hi. Stop. Say hi. Stop.
Say hi.
Oh my goodness. Hi. There he goes. There he Okay, okay.